Razer has always been amazing when it comes to laptops. In the Consumer Electronics Show of 2022 edition, the Singaporean-American tech organization declared this last Tuesday that 3 new Razer Blade gaming laptops will hit the market in the first quarter of 2022. On this note, a warm hello to all of the viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you yet another video, and this one's going to be pretty cool. In today's video, we are going to bring you people all the information about the 3 new gaming laptops that Razer is bringing and will soon hit the market. These upcoming laptops are so high-tech and advanced that you are going to love them and you are going to have the time of your life playing games on these laptops. We're going to give you guys each and every detail regarding these laptops, so stay with us till the end and let's start this journey. And we promise this is going to be a fun one. CES 2022 brought out everyone's best laptops, and Razer introduced the Blade 14, 15, and 17 as 2 of its 3 main Razer Blade laptops. AMD, Intel, and Nvidia provide the latest hardware in these new models, so the specs are naturally up to date compared to previous generations. Each model also features improved cameras, along with other small improvements. This is a greater amount of equipment revive, so as far as plans and highlights, not a ton has changed. In any case, it's a prominent move up to one of the most incredible gaming workstations out there. Let's jump into the information. Release date of new Razer Blade laptops. Razer Blade 15 and Razer Blade 17 laptops. CES 2022 announced several laptops, and these new Razer Blade models don't have a specific release date for now, and moreover, their release dates will vary based on the model. On January 25th, Razer will begin taking pre-orders for their Blade 15 and 17 models. These devices will be available in full sometime later this year, which we think is the first quarter. Razer Blade 14 laptop. It will be a little later, on February 10th, when Razer Blade 14 2022 pre-orders start. However, we do not know when the laptop will be available, so we can expect it to launch somewhere in the first quarter of the year. Just additional information, you may also want to consider that some of the models may launch earlier than others. The ongoing shortage of chip supplies is making it harder for companies to obtain new parts, so many launches phased launches. Cost of new Razer Blade laptops. Since there are several different configurations for the 3 laptops mentioned here, the price is going to vary depending on which model you choose. Razer Blade 14 laptop. The Razer Blade 14 2022 has a starting price of $1,999.99. This is cheaper than the same model last year because it now comes with a GeForce RTX 3060. Razer didn't share the costs for each arrangement, yet the 2021 model of the Razer Blade 14 maximized at $2,799.99, with a GeForce RTX 3080. Costs for the new model ought to be somewhere near that, possibly fairly higher. Razer Blade 15 laptop. With a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU and a Quad HD 240Hz display, the Razer Blade 15 starts at $2,499.99. GeForce RTX 3070 Ti models cost $2,999.99, whereas RTX 3080 Ti models range from $3,699.99 to $3,900.99. The 4K AMOLED option costs $3,999.99. This is a pretty pricey laptop, but it's one of the best ones out there. Razer Blade 17 laptop. A model with a GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card and a Quad HD 165Hz display starts at $2,799.99 with the Razer Blade 17. There are models at $3,199.99 with a GeForce RTX 3070 Ti and $3,999.99 with an RTX 3080 Ti. An exception to this is the 4K 144Hz panel, which costs $4,299.99. New things in all new Razer Blade laptops. In the new Razer Blade models, there is mainly equipment revive, including new parts from AMD in the Blade 14, Intel, Blade 15 and 17, and Nvidia in all models. Nonetheless, there are different improvements and many upgrades as well. Razer Blade 15 and 17 laptops. The Razer Blade 15 and 17 currently accompanied Intel's 12th age H-series core processors, explicitly the Core i7 12800H or Core i9 12900HK. These new processors accompany another mixture design that consolidates elite execution centers and effective centers to accomplish both better execution and less power utilization. These two models accompany 6 high-performance cores and 8 effective cores for an aggregate of 20 processing threads. Razer Blade 14 laptop. Now let's talk about the third one. The Razer Blade 14 accompanies AMD's new Ryzen 9 6900HX processor. This one is as yet utilizing a more conventional core structure, as it has 8 centers and 16 strings like its archetype, alongside 4.6 GHz enhanced speeds. Regardless of being more comparable, it's actually pressing some in the engine enhancements, so it's much more remarkable than last year's model. Both the new AMD and Intel processors and support for DDR5 RAM, which is the thing that Razer is utilizing no matter how you look at it, with clock speeds up to 4800 MHz. This new memory ought to be fundamentally quicker than DDR4, so you can expect better execution from that as well. Additionally, this multitude of workstations currently accompanies PCIe Gen 4 SSDs for capacity, offering more speed on that front as well. Concerning illustrations, these PCs accompany the better-than-ever GeForce RTX 30 series graphic card, especially the RTX 3070 Ti and 3080 Ti. Razer claims that the RTX 3080 Ti PC GPU offers more execution than the Titan RTX GPU for work areas, and it accompanies 16GB of GDDR memory, while a portion of the RTX 3080 models actually had 8GB of memory. In the meantime, the RTX 3070 Ti is up to 70% quicker than the RTX 2070 Super. However, Razer didn't say how much quicker it is contrasted with the standard RTX 3070. 1080p Windows Hello cameras. A large number of the Razer Blade models from 2021 currently accompany Full HD 1080p webcams. However, presently, it's the norm across all models. A couple of models of the Razer Blade 15 2021, especially the Blade 15 base, really had a 720p webcam without Windows Hello, and the Blade 14 in like manner had a 720p camera with Windows Hello. Presently, each of the models has Full HD cameras and Windows Hello support, which checks out in the realm of remote work we live in today. It may likewise be great assuming you like streaming your games on the web. Razer Blade 15 and 17 display. The 2021 models of the Razer Blade 15 sent off with a 4K AMOLED show with a 60Hz invigorate rate. However, it seems as though the 2022 models are dropping that choice. Presently, the top-level arrangement accompanies a 4K IPS board with a 144Hz revive rate, which you might think about a redesign assuming you intend involving PCs for gaming. The Razer Blade 17 previously had a 4K IPS board choice, yet it had 120Hz revive rate. The current year's model has a somewhat smoother 144Hz board, so that's a little update as well. Let us even tell you where you can buy these laptops. Razer sells its PC through its own internet-based store, and that one is one of the spots you're likely going to believe that it is first. Amazon additionally will be in general be one of the first to have Razer's items available, as a rule sending off them day to date with Razer's own store. Well, this is all the information we have, and this is the end for now. This is where we say our goodbye, and do not forget to like and share the video, and also make sure to share the video among your friends and family. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, as this will motivate us to make more amazing videos like that. Take care, till next time.